Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will know about the perception. Always know that every individual has different perception. What is right to you may be wrong to other person, but that doesn't mean you are wrong and he is correct. So always try to understand things from others' perspective as well. Sometimes it is very difficult, right? But think, if we can accept things as they are, then it becomes easy for us. Acceptance is the key. If you can accept any situation, any person, or any incident, that is really going to help you to deal with many challenges of the life. Because when you accept things, you don't bring the negativity in you, you stay positive. So, first thing is you can try to accept things to stay positive. This will definitely help you to keep the stress away. So, always try to accept things because change is the only constant. Things will change, situation will change, life will change, it will keep on moving. When we start accepting things, everything becomes easy, everything seems happy and healthy. We must move on, we must let go of any grudges, any guilt, or any kind of negative baggage of emotions. When we let go of all these negative emotions, you start getting peace, you start feeling relaxed. So we must let go and move on. We should not hold on any anger or guilt or any regret. Be thankful for what you have. Show gratitude towards the universe and to God, because we are always blessed with the things which we need in our life. This will help you to stay positive all the time, and it will also keep the stress away. Have faith on the universe, because we all are protected and we all are guided all the time. You are not left alone. Always remember, whatever is happening with us, there is a large plan in it, and we are part of it, right? So, if today is a dull day, a sad day, definitely tomorrow is waiting for us. Definitely that will be a bright day. So, always have faith. If you are suffering today, something great is waiting for you tomorrow. And I am not just telling this for the sake of saying, it happened with me. This is my life experience, and this is the experience of a lot of people I know. Whenever some sad situation comes, if we accept that, if we be grateful for what we have right that moment, then slowly the situation changes. Things becoming sorted, and again positive things start happening to you. But if in the situation of difficulty you put negative thoughts, you keep on saying negative things, then the situation is not going to change soon. For changing a situation, you must change the perspective. You must see the goodness in that situation. You must believe that there must be something good is supposed to happen. That is the reason right now I have to face all these problems. So have faith. And last but not the least, be aware. We are part of this vast universe. We are part of a bigger plan. We are protected and guided. So don't worry if in any situation, in any condition, whatever is happening with you, there is a plan behind it. So have a higher perspective and understanding towards life. So we must take care of 8 things every day, and those are good food, balanced diet, proper exercise, sound sleep, controlling the emotions, keeping the high vibration always, good habits, practicing breathing exercise for 5 to 10 minutes daily, and also meditation for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Always say positive affirmation once you get up in the morning or throughout the day whenever you feel like or whenever you get time. Keep on saying some positive thing to yourself, to own self, and have a higher perspective towards life. Be grateful and forgive others. You will be staying healthy from your mind also. Your mental and emotional aspect will also become very healthy. I hope you are going to incorporate all this learning and definitely will get some positive results within few days. So keep on practicing and comment below what all changes happened after practicing these 8 immunity booster technique. Thank you all. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy.